Hi everyone, welcome back again in CAD with Kamal. This is Solidworks part modeling exercise 17. In today's exercise, we will do this simple bracket 3D model in Solidworks with the help of its 2D drawing. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative video on Solidworks tutorials. So let's start today's exercise. So I'll stop this here. I cut it. I already saved. I don't want to save. Okay. So for the part modeling, we have to go with this part new option. You can select part or OK, or you can select here file new part and OK. So let's see our part drawing. So this is our part 2D drawing. Top view, front view, this is side view, and I'll cut a section view also from the side view. So this is our base body. This is thickness is 10 mm, the distance is 65 mm, this bush height is 26 mm, OD 36, ID 20 mm, and this bush OD is 26, ID 12 mm, and width length is 20 mm. So let's start with this base body. I select front plane, sketch, line, start with origin. Okay. Sign dimensions, this is 50 mm and gap is 65 mm. Okay. This is 45-degree angle. Okay. This is height 20 and this distance is 25. Plus assign relation, this line and this line equal, this point and this point relation horizontal, this line and this line equal, this and this equal. Our sketch is fully defined. Now we have to give thickness also to this. You can give thickness in sketch or you can give thickness in extrude boss base feature also. So let's exit here. Come to extrude boss base, thickness, see thickness one direction 10 mm. You can change thickness direction up to here 10 mm. We need to extrude up to this 46 mm. Blind 46. You can change direction with this. Okay. Now we create this fillet. This fillet is R23. Okay, I use fillet. I select this full round fillet and I select this here. For this section I select this face, and for this section I select this face. Okay. I select this face, select circle, hold your cursor on this edge, you can find your center point. Okay, this is dia 16 mm, hold. Okay, exit, extrude cut up to next. Okay, select again, I select circle, center point, draw a circle, construction geometry. Okay, dia 3. This is PCD 32 mm. Okay, exit, extrude cut up to next. Okay, I use circular pattern here. For direction I select this edge. Number of instances 6 mm, 360 degree. Okay. See. Select reference plane. Select this face. this face. Okay, I go to mirror. Plane is already selected. Feature to mirror, I select this hole and this. Okay, I select here face, sketch, circle, select, draw two circle. Circle is for this bush, dia 26, ID 12 mm. 26, 12, select center line here. Use offset 5. Okay, come to extend and extend this line up to circle. Select line and close this rib sketch. Use trim and cut this. Okay, now this center to this push center height is 57 mm. So assign dimension, select this edge 57 mm. Okay, and I give relation with this center point, this vertical. Sketch is fully defined. Let's exit here and extrude. Use extrude both ways feature, reverse direction and up to next. It will convert outside body. Okay, I select this face and select this edge of circle and convert entity. Exit here to cut it this body. Extrude cut up to next. Okay, select this face, sketch mode, circle, this bush OD 36, ID 20 mm, height is 26, 36, 20. Let's give relation with this line and this horizontal. Hide this plane, this center point and this vertical relation. Sketch is fully defined. Let's exit here. Use extrude boss base up to, you select blind option up to 26 mm. Okay, again select this face, select this edge, make convert entity, exit, use extrude cut, use up to next. Okay, this is also open. I use fillet here, 4M. Okay, now mirror, select this, okay. Let's hide this plane. Now apply some fillets and chamfer. So this is chamfer. This is R4 fillet here. Fillet 4, select this edge. Chamfer 1 mm. Okay. This is R15 fillet. Now apply appearance for color. So here is our 3D model complete. That's it for today tutorial. Hope you like the video. If you have any question or doubt, you can write in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video. Thank you.